All right, third graders, this is our Unit 3. Our focus is geography. As all the other units are set up, you'll see our standards are listed next, our goals and outcomes, and I'll let you read through those at home. But each week, you'll also see that goal or outcome on the week's instructions. So our driving question is, how can understanding landforms, maps, and globes help us in understanding our world? And as we work through the 6-week unit, be sure to go back and revisit that driving question. Some key unit vocabulary, and there may be other words that you come across that you can add to that list for yourself. I always recommend keeping a vocabulary notebook or vocabulary slides, some place where you're keeping track of those new words that you're learning. Our writing masterpiece, which you'll find videos each week for you that Mrs. D has created, is Where Am I in the World? It's a representation of your exact spot in the world. You will be creating a visual throughout the unit to show the difference between planet, continent, country, state, and city. So week 1, what is a compass rose and how is it used? You'll be going to Waukesha Discovery Education and looking for this video. You'll also click this compass link here and reading a map. After you've completed those 3 activities, create a Google Doc titled Mapping. List 3 things that you learned today and how they can help you be more efficient in using a map. Then it takes us to our week 1 literacy connection. You will create a Google Doc titled Where Am I in the World? And this will be an ongoing doc that you add to. Not only will you be answering questions about a planet, but eventually you'll be taking a picture of your finished project, or you can even create video like Mrs. D did, as I created mine. You could create like a final video at the end. Access PebbleGo and click Planets under Science, Space Science, and then read through the passage. This week, we will create the Earth Circle, which will be our model to help us understand what a planet is. There is a live link to a video of Mrs. D doing my first Earth Circle, because I also create one here to show you how it can be done. You could use a paper plate, a large piece of paper, or if you are doing yours electronically, you could do it on Google Drawing. Just be sure to add those colors that represent the Earth. If you would like to use the Earth sheet that you'll see me use in the video, here's the link to it. And PebbleGo is that website that we have access to. I just made that a little bit bigger for you guys, where the username is Achieve and the password is books. And if you have trouble getting into PebbleGo, just reach out and let me know, or your homeroom teacher. And then your week 1 math connection, use your math skills to solve the questions on this map. The map is right here for you to click live. You don't have to work off of this smaller image. You're going to use the squares and count and the scale. Submit your answers either handwritten or print a document or in a Google Doc. And like I said, to find that activity, you can click it right there. And that'll get you through week 1. And if you have any questions as you're working, I know it's a new unit, don't hesitate to reach out.